Hi, I'm David Wilton, TPAS Director, and I'm here in Scotland today at TPAS Scotland's conference, and I've been talking to tenants all day about their landlord comparison site that is on the Scottish regulator's website. And I've been asking them, do they use this comparison service? It allows them to select their landlord and compare it against other landlords for metrics like rent charges, voids, turnaround of repairs, a number of different metrics. And I've been asking them, have they been using this today? And what they've said is, yes, very much so, and they do value this. They use it to really start conversations with their landlords. The data itself isn't everything. The data itself doesn't give you all the answers, but it shows you the difference of your landlord against any other landlord in Scotland that you wish to compare. And I think that's quite important. I was talking to a lady that lives on quite a big estate in one of the urban areas of Scotland, and there are 5 housing associations operating in that area. And it opens a really important question, which is, it allows her to look at her landlord's performance against a landlord operating within a mile or two of her, and ask those questions. Why is my rent this rate? Why is my repairs take this amount of time? And I found it really useful today. I've had some excellent feedback from the Scottish tenants, and it's something I'll be taking back to Wales to have those discussions with Welsh Government officials. Thank you.